Eve on a beautiful note, seeing plenty of sunshine, just a little bit of cloud coverage, but we are not seeing any rain in sight here in the Metro Jackson. We're sitting at 87 degrees, dew point at 74 degrees. As that dew point climbs, we're actually feeling like 95 degrees here in the Metro. So we're already starting this Friday's Eve on a bit of a hot note, but thankfully no rain in sight. We're just seeing some passing clouds moving from the south and moving northwards here, but really no rain across the southeast either. Might be seeing some showers just south of Shreveport, Louisiana, but aside from that, we're staying clear. We're just feeling the heat. Those temperatures across the metro are in the upper 80s right now with plenty of sunshine, but what it feels like is a completely different story. It feels like 95 degrees here in Jackson, 98 in Meridian and Vicksburg. We are only anticipating for things to feel just a little more toasty as we continue throughout the rest of this afternoon. By this afternoon, a few of us could hit the triple-digit mark with how it feels, but most of us will feel like the upper 90s for this afternoon, and we'll see that trend continuing into tomorrow afternoon. But that's after we see those highs only reaching the low 90s, so it will feel just about 10 degrees warmer than what our actual temperatures will reach by this afternoon. So the weather story for us here is that we're seeing a disturbance in the Gulf that's not going to affect us here in Mississippi. It's actually going to move towards Texas. We're also seeing some dry air trying to move into Mississippi, but we'll actually see whether it does by this upcoming weekend. Ridge starting to form, which is why we're staying so hot for a long period of time. And then, of course, Hurricane Florence just off the East Coast. So we're kind of wedged in between three different patterns, and unfortunately neither one of those patterns are going to budge anytime soon. So we have that disturbance. That's one of the storms that we're looking at. Of course, we have Hurricane Florence still off the East Coast, starting to make its way towards land. Currently Category 2 storm, but the storm is continuing to expand in regards to width and will kind of continue to bring heavy rainfall towards the East Coast. Then we have Tropical Storm Isaac is expected to pass over the Lesser Antilles and move just south of Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and Haiti. But after 5 days, we'll kind of, things are looking a little fuzzy. And then we have Subtropical Storm Joyce, and we have Hurricane Helene over the Atlantic Ocean, but nothing really much for us here. But for us, scattered showers are possible, but it's really looking slim to none. It's really not looking like much for today or for tomorrow. I'm not anticipating any football to be affected by these scattered showers. We're mostly going to just feel the heat for today and for tomorrow, as temperatures are going to stay pretty consistent in the low 90s for the rest of this week and then for the beginning of next week. But the beginning of next week, it's looking pretty okay. We're looking pretty dry, but it's just hot and humid and nasty and
well, it's going to be that way for a while.
for a little bit for us, yeah.
Here's a weather-related